Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers. Run NVIDIA SMI to see GPU model and driver version. Once done, install the NVIDIA driver that matches the CUDA toolkit you plan to use. Next, create a clean Conda or virtual environment and install Python. This isolates packages so GPU libraries won't conflict. Make sure to note exact CUDA version. You'll need it when choosing cuDNN and deep learning wheels or Conda packages. That gets you ready to install GPU libraries. Now install the CUDA toolkit and the matching cuDNN package for your driver. Follow Package Manager or installer instructions and reboot if required. Once the low-level stack is in place, install your deep learning framework built for that CUDA version. Use Conda where possible for smoother dependency resolution. After framework install, activate the environment and run Python m ipykernel install username gpuenv so Jupyter can use this environment as a kernel. Finally, verify import and device visibility to finish, launch Jupyter Notebook or Lab, choose the gpuenv kernel you created, and run a minimal test like allocating a tensor on the GPU and printing the device. Make sure NVIDIA SMI shows process utilization and that your framework reports the GPU device. If it fails, check for driver versus CUDA mismatches, secure boot blocking modules, or missing cuDNN. Reinstall the environment or use Conda Forge builds to simplify compatibility. A quick reboot after driver installs often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.